Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be sharing with you how to make a strong lightening body scrub for hyperpigmentation, dark spots, white spots and melasma on the skin that will exfoliate, remove dead skin cells, improve the skin texture and even out the skin complexion, leaving your skin soft, smooth and radiant. I will be using cow milk spa salt as the base scrub and it is my favorite. I always use it to make different brightening and lightening body scrubs because it is a natural whitening scrub enriched with vitamin E, pure milk and natural salt benefits. It provides nourishment to your skin, removes dirt, deposit and dead skin cells from your body, giving you a new soft and radiant skin. And also this cow milk spa salt does not only exfoliate the skin to remove dead skin cells on the skin, leaving the skin looking soft and smooth. It also contains many skin loving minerals which can improve blood circulation to your skin, and also it can ease muscular tension and stress, so it is a very good scrub to use as the base. Next, I will be adding bearberry powder, which is a great and effective natural skin lightening ingredient that will help to attain a more uniform and brighter complexion. Bearberry powder slowly evens out the skin tone by eliminating age spots, acne scars, freckles and melasma. Bearberry extract is a very strong lightening ingredient that is being used by so many beauty skincare companies to enhance the lightening effect of their products. So I would say bearberry extract is the secret ingredient to brighter, lighter, younger and glowing looking skin. And also you can use bearberry powder to make a face pack and apply it on your face. It will help to lighten and eliminate dark spots on your face, even out your skin tone, giving you that natural brightening glow. And then next I'm just going to add another whitening powder, and I am using Alpha Butane 3+ whitening powder. It is a very good powder and it is also a natural whitening ingredient. Alpha butane is very effective in treating hyperpigmentation. It slows down melanin production in the skin, fades acne scars and acne spots, and also works on the skin texture, reducing uneven complexion, brightens the skin and provides a radiant glow to it. So you just go ahead and mix everything together. So and next I'm going to be adding salicylic acid, and I will be using olive oil to dissolve it with, since it is not water soluble. So I'm just going to dissolve it in olive oil by using the double boiling method. Salicylic acid helps to purify and exfoliate the skin, which improves the appearance of the skin, reduces blemishes and helps to prevent blackheads and breakouts. It penetrates deep into the pores, losing dead skin cells, clears clogged pores, reduces sebum secretion, reduces inflammation and redness, and also it helps to break down pimples. Salicylic acid is just an amazing ingredient that you can use to improve your skin complexion and your skin texture, and also you can always use it in your skincare DIY products. It is amazing, especially if you are struggling with hyperpigmentation. It is a good ingredient for treating hyperpigmentation. It is just one of those best ingredients for treating hyperpigmentation. Very effective. So just like I said, it is not water soluble, so you can dissolve it with oil or you can dissolve it using glycolic acid. And then next I'm going to be adding HA or AHA, whichever way you call it. That is alpha hydroxy acid, and this is my favorite exfoliating acid. HA reduces the size of enlarged pores, which are commonly seen in acne prone skin, reduces acne scars, and also works best by removing the top layers of dead skin cells. So HA is common and generally safe for the skin, especially when you know how to use this product. That is, knowing when, how to use it, and in what amount can make your product much more effective and less likely to cause irritation on the skin. It is a very good ingredient. So if you know all this and you add the right amount into your product, or you apply the right amount on your skin, it is just going to exfoliate. It is just going to exfoliate your skin, brighten, and leave your skin smooth and soft. Sorry, I forgot to turn on my camera. I also dissolve the HA using olive oil and also the double boiling method. So just go ahead and add it into the base scrub. Next, I'm going to be adding glycolic acid, which is also a good chemical exfoliant. It exfoliates the skin, removes dead skin cells on the skin, revealing a more brighter and radiant skin beneath. So mixing HA, that is alpha hydroxy acid, with glycolic acid can effectively help break down dead skin cells accumulation and visibly brighten the skin. So I'm also going to be putting the measurements in the description box, so you can check down below the description box for the measurements. I'm also going to be adding Aloe Vera 92% toner enriched with natural exfoliating ingredients to rejuvenate, make the skin soft, smooth, improve the skin texture, soften, and nourish the skin. It is a natural, gentle, nourishing, fresh, and non-sticking toner. And this is my skin toner. I use it directly on my skin, and I just love it how it exfoliates my skin without drying out my skin, and also how it improves my skin complexion, brightens and soothes my skin. You just go ahead and mix it up and mix it well with the other ingredients in the base scrub. And next I'm just going to be adding my oils, and here with me I'm going to be adding rosehip oil, and just like I said, I'm going to be leaving the measurements in the description box. And I'm also going to be adding jojoba oil, which is good for skin lightening, helps exfoliate and boost collagen formation, hydrates and moisturizes dry skin, and also reduces inflammation and helps reduce hyperpigmentation, and also contains great anti-aging properties, fades fine lines, wrinkles, soften rough cuticles, and boosts the skin's glow. It also can soothe eczema prone skin. Next, I'm going to be adding Aloe Vera 92% soothing gel, which is also a great natural moisturizing ingredient, and it can help to treat dry skin, good for hyperpigmentation, reduces infection and acne, helps moisturize the skin, lightens blemishes on the skin, fights aging, and does soothe the skin. It also has cooling properties and inflammatory properties. And next, I'm just going to add Kellene Papaya Whitening Body Wash. It is my body wash. It is what I use, and I have been using it for like ever. It is rich in vitamin C. It cleanses the skin so well. It reduces dark spots, blemishes, irregular pigmentation, and promotes the production of new skin cells, leaving your skin rejuvenated, moisturized, soft, smooth, soothed, and giving you that natural lightening and radiant glow. And the last ingredient I'm going to be adding is ascorbic acid ampoule, which elevate and replenish the skin, boost collagen production, fight free radicals damage, brightening the skin, and it is also an anti-aging as well. So I'm just going to be adding 2 ascorbic acid ampoules into it. So that's it. You just go ahead and mix it well, and then you get an electric mixer. I am using this one. You just get whichever electric mixer that you have and mix it well until you have that soft, creamy and body scrub. This is the final look. This is how it looks like. You can see the consistency. It looks smooth, soft and creamy. So I'm just going to get my containers and put it inside. The scrub is very effective. Just go ahead and make this scrub and scrub your body with it 2 to 3 times in a week, and you are just going to love your skin texture, your skin complexion, because it is going to improve your overall skin, leaving your skin soft, smooth and giving you that natural lightening and radiant glow. So that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and if you have questions, you can always meet me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description box. Just click on that link and it will direct you to my Instagram page, or if the link cannot direct you to my Instagram page, then search on Instagram Rainy_Zion and you will find me live on Instagram. Just send me a DM and I will get back to you. I might not get back to you as soon as possible, but I will definitely get back to you. So that's it for this video. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye bye.